Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Many businesses can be moved to recurring revenue. Here are some examples of transitioning a business to subscription. Lawn care, a repeat business that is often paid for by the hour of the visit. Replace variable pay for the service each time it's performed to a monthly payment for a fixed amount. Pet services. Pets require grooming, walking, sitting, and other services. Bundle grooming with pet sitting to create a monthly subscription service. Property management. Properties require maintenance, rent collection, and more. Consider bundling the service into one package and charging a standard fee for each month for it. Personal grooming. Hair, nails, and other grooming services must be done regularly. Bundle a series of services into a standard price charged monthly on the credit card. Education. Student tutoring, continuing education, and more can be charged on a monthly basis. Offer an annual membership in which the student is charged monthly for the service. Extermination services. Extermination is an ongoing service required by many. Consider setting up standard services that require each month and charge automatically for it. These are just a few examples of businesses that can be moved to recurring revenue. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.